Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bob Montego. Today, the question bears on my mind. Wherever you are in the world, how is the coronavirus, COVID-19, affecting you? Today I'm standing in a neighborhood it's an upper middle class neighborhood, and it's a neighborhood that's normally very, very active with the children running around and playing. You can see evidence of it wherever you look. But it is, with the exception of a few, people, like I see some families brave enough to come out. That's very good. Nice and welcoming to see people actually walking outside. But there's something that bothers me though, because looking at this, I look at all these people that invest lots of money, obviously, into their property, and to watch them reduced to coming out only in the evening time to get the last of the nighttime sun before they go back in is it's very it's very it affects you, and makes me wonder, at the end of all of this, what is going to be the final effect. In the United States, for example, the government has allocated some $2 trillion to offset the whatever the losses of salary and the loss of income for all the different businesses, restaurants, whatever business it might be, because a lot of restaurants will not be around after being locked down for 2 more weeks. They will just not open, and a lot of people out of work. But it brings to mind something you see out of a movie. It makes you wonder how far is this gonna go in terms of the bleeding on the economy, because the government cannot use a socialized policy to bail out the entire affected portion of the economy, because this is way bigger than anything we've actually ever imagined. You don't even know how to approach this, because this is like being in this situation is like building a plane while you're flying it. Every solution they come up with, it's really just a test. There's no concrete anything that is a fix-all for anything. It's simply a test, and makes you a little nervous sometimes as you look at what's going on. Makes you wonder, where is this going? Where is it going to end? What is it going to look like after the coronavirus has somehow subsided and it's now okay to start socializing again? One big concern I have is in America, for example, it's already such a individualistic country. It's really people actually don't associate very, very well, except in times of disaster and so forth. And it makes me wonder, how are we gonna ever go back to regular socializing? It is really, it's really a concern. Just a thought. I'm gonna close this video, and I'm gonna go back to lockdown for the night. The sun is going down. the few people that are outside are already moving towards home, and I think I'm gonna do the same. Thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live, and I'm Bob Montego. Thank you. Take care. Be safe.